Hello, it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. And tonight I'm doing something a little different. So I have one of the mystery boxes from Walthers, which if you don't know, they're a model train company based out of Wisconsin. They did mystery boxes and for HO, and I'm going to open it. Now, if you happen to know anything about me, I don't actually have a layout. So you might be thinking, Lauren, why are you opening an HO box of mystery items without a layout? Well, I have a plan for a layout. I want a layout. I have a whole drawer full of HO things. I just don't have it built yet. It's in the works. There's no set plan for it currently. It's just gonna be, for my first one, it's gonna be whatever I want, because why not? Besides, you know, fly by the seat of my pants, I guess. All right, let's open this. So at time of filming, there's not currently any more left on the website. So this was available in 3 different options: $75, $150, or $250. I bought the $75 one because I am a college student. And as I said, at the time of filming, I can't talk. They are all sold out, but it does say back order, so maybe they're gonna release more. Who knows? But let's go through this together. Okay, so I'm opening this with you, so initial reactions will be what they are. Okay. There's a lot in there. So the $75 one, this seems pretty hefty. Okay. What do we got? First, I think these are windows. It looks like maybe little windows or gates or something. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, it says picnic tables. It's a 5-pack of picnic tables. That does not look like a picnic table. It looks like windows. Okay. All right, picnic tables. I got some nice little roses. Oh, those are cute. Cute roses. We have a fire truck, but like a fire utility truck. This looks very much like a truck like the BLM would have, or the forestry department. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the truck. The roses, yes. We have our first car. Can you see it? The light is reflecting horribly. What is this? I think it's like a lumber car. It does not say on it. Oh, there it is. CC&F bulkhead flat car, Indiana Harbor Belt. Okay, I do not own anything like this, so this will be a fun addition. That's a Walthers Proto. And then got another Walthers Proto car. This one's long, very long. This is Bethlehem flush deck flat car. Oh, I think this is for piggybacks. Pretty sure this is for piggybacks, which makes sense because there's some UPS trailers. May keep it, may not keep the UPS. I don't know. This is cool. I don't know if this is gonna work with the era I'm modeling. So even though I said I don't have a plan for my layout, I do want to lean more heavily into mid to early 1900s. So I like that aesthetic. And then I got the modernized gas station. definitely will probably find another use for this somewhere. Overall, this is a lot of stuff. I would say, like, in terms of a good deal, I'd say probably definitely a lot more modern stuff, which is, that's fine. I kind of knew going into it it'd be more modern stuff. Yeah, there are definitely some things I will keep, and there's some things I might figure out what to do with. But I would say that was fun, and if they do it again or they come back off back order, you should definitely consider doing it. I'll figure out how much all this was worth on their website and then come back. Okay, so I did the math, and not considering sale prices. Like, if you bought this when it wasn't on sale, the total was $236. Now, that was rounded because there was a lot of 98 cents and all of that. But roughly $236. I paid $75 plus shipping. So I would say in all, it's a pretty good deal. And I can only imagine what the $150 and the $250 boxes look like. Probably some awesome stuff. So yes, if they do this again or if they come back in stock, I would say definitely try your hand at it. I think it's worth it. It's fun. I love mystery boxes in general. Even though, like, historically I do the mystery boxes at Disney World and I have horrible luck, but it's fun. It's a fun. So again, here is everything I got in my mystery box from Walthers.